Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sabrina Tasa. You can call me Sabrina or Bina. I am from the National University Communication Studies program. Here I will present millennials are the source of ideas. Millennial generation is social society that is literate and adaptable to technology. They tend to like to use technology to facilitate all activities, including shopping activities, with advance in payment technology. This generation is more cautious. The confusion of shopping, payment, of the credit cards, debit cards, e-money, iBank, and the other easily adopted by urban middle-class millennials. So that the existence of urban middle-class millennials will certainly be a trigger for the development of cashless payment. In the future, traditional payment instruments will shift to modern payment instruments. Millennials are not interested in television advertising and print media, which are only considered suitable for the older generation. In the future, product advertising through the video content on the internet and other digital marketing will become a must. The millennial generation is smart generation. The millennial generation is a capable generation. Before deciding to buy a product, they first look for information on the internet or social media. Reviews of the product on the internet and social media become their reference. Millennial like selfies. Another culture that has emerged is the selfish and narcissistic culture. The development of smartphone camera technology, one of which encouraged the emergence of selfish and narcissistic phenomena, especially now that there are smartphones with the advantage of a front camera that produce photogenic selfies. The positive impact of social media. The positive impact of social media is that it makes it easier for us to interact with many people, expand relationship, distance and time are no longer a problem. It is easier to express ourselves. Information dissemination can take place quickly. Costs are cheaper. The negative impact of social media that is difficult to avoid. 1. Trigger cyberbullying. Indirectly, social media makes teenagers feel compelled to change their character or appearance according to the ideal standard of most people. There are many famous people who often become victims of cyberbullying because they don't meet the standards. Number 2, interfere with other activities. In general, teenagers have to study and do school or college assignment, but social media is often very annoying distraction. Many students are lazy to do various other activities because they are too busy playing with their social media. Number 3, be antisocial. Too much virtual interaction can make us seem to forget how to interact with people in the real world. If we are not careful, social media can prevent people from building healthy relationship with their surrounding. Number 4, cybercrime. Cybercrime is an increasing common thing these days. On social media, many people have been duped because the criminal use fake account or were friendly to dig up certain information. Today, there are so many news to commit crimes that we need to be vigilant about using social media. Social media development chart. As internet and mobile phone technology advances, social media also grows rapidly. Now, to access Facebook or Twitter, for example, it can be done anywhere and anytime, just be using a mobile phone. How quickly people can access social media has resulted in a major phenomenon in the flow of information not only in developing countries but also in Indonesia. Because its speed, social media has also begun to appear to replace the role of conventional mass media in spreading news. The rapid development of social media is now because everyone seems to be able to have their own media. If to on traditional media, such as television, radio, or newspaper, requires large capital and lot manpower, then the media is different. The social media, you can access using the internet web network, even though the access is slow without big costs, without expensive tool, and done alone without employees. With a social media, user can free edit, add, modify both text, image, video, graphic, and various other content models. Social media has the following characteristics. Number one, the message conveyed is not only for one person, but can be to many people. Number two, message conveyed freely without having to go through a gatekeeper. Number three, message conveyed tend to be faster than all other media. Number four, the recipient of the message determines the interaction time. This is data is based on how long the play gadget. And this is data is based on age. After I research, millennials are always dominant, but in terms of age and how long they spend on social media, because millennials usually spend time in front of gadget. They usually look for business-stroke gadget, whether it's looking for entertainment, studying, looking for information, or even shopping online. Regardless of age, everyone always play gadget. But for parents or even young people who work offline, they rarely play gadget because they are busy with work. Everyone can use the telephone. The most common thing using a telephone into communicate with each other, with friends, family, and relatives. Thank you.